Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install a wireless remote for a ceiling fan. For this job, you're going to need a couple different tools. You will need your wireless remote and wire nuts. Now, if your fan is already installed, you're going to want to go ahead and remove the fan so that way you can have access to the top where all the wires are. Now, before working with any electricity, make sure that you shut it off at the breaker box. So we're going to use this as our hot coming in. Here's our fan wires, and then our wireless remote wires. You're going to take all the white ones and wire nut them together. You can see here that each wire is marked from the wireless remote. So this one you want to take and hook it up to the fan one because it says fan out. That means that the power goes through here, goes out your wireless remote and into your fan. Take the one for your fan and match it with the one for your fan on your wireless remote and wire nut them together. Now with the one marked for the light. Then you'll take the hot going in and wire nut it to the hot coming in from your box. Then your ground, which is your copper wire, gets hooked to the green wire. And then you'll push all this back up into your box and remount your fan. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed how to install a wireless remote for a ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Good luck with this project.